I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Coming up right after this. First, you want to clean up the edges. Don't have to be exact, but you'll need the measurements for your patch. Grab your square, drywall, and transfer your measurements into the middle of your spare piece. So you want an inch on each side basically, or 2. Now that you have your rough piece, score one side with the exact hole dimensions. We'll snap it like this, but don't break it totally off. Now I didn't show this part. It's a little bit helpful, or at least for me, was dampen one side of the drywall. You want to peel off the drywall on one side and leave the paper on the other. You don't have to soak it, just lightly dampen it. But be careful when you peel it, you want that paper and it will rip easily, especially when it's damp. I've seen people do it dry. I didn't have much luck with that. The end result is a drywall patch with plenty of coverage that you can use during the tape and bed portion of your fix. You're basically using the drywall paper as your tape, and then of course the mud. So. Pro tip here, if you have to trim, do it on the wall, not on your patch. You don't want to cut this paper. So quick sand, and then we'll just go right into the paint. Alright, as you can see, I redid that little bit right there. Right there. And it looks a lot better. I also did the whole wall, because I didn't want to be lazy. So, a quarter of the garage is done now.